Hi guys! Happy Love Month! So, I hope you all have a wonderful time this Valentine's Day. Doesn't matter if you're single. Yeah!
Uh-oh.
No!
We play daddy.
Hi guys! Happy Valentine's Day! So this coming Valentine's, my husband asked me kung ano yung gusto kong gawin this day. So, I just want to stay at home and oh, that's my baby Saya pala. Hi baby Saya! Okay. So, ang gusto ko lang is just to stay at home and then cook for them. I'll cook for my husband Saya and yung helpers namin since they will be celebrating with us. Yun, I asked them what food they want and gusto daw nila ng seafood. So today we are going to Dampa and we are gonna buy some seafoods. So tomorrow, oh yeah, I'll show you my Sangria recipe also. So gagawin ko din yun, and because we will be drinking wine tomorrow then along with the seafood kasi we love wine. So yeah, I'll show you my Sangria recipe also. So, let's go. Where are you going, Saya?
To the grocery store.
What?
The grocery store.
Go to the store.
Show your clip.
Finally home, and today we are gonna make sangria for tomorrow night. Yeah, because tomorrow is Valentine's Day na. So, what we need is red wine, your favorite red wine. Anything will do actually. You can use Merlot also or whatever. Basta your favorite wine. Brandy. Apple. I need apple. Please show me the apple. Oh, that's orange. Apple.
I want it.
How about the orange? Orange. Can you show the orange? Orange. We need orange also.
Orange.
Lemon. Brown sugar. And soda or any lemon soda will do. And of course, our pitcher. So guys, actually you can use or you can add different fruits aside from this one, besides this one. Ito lang kasi yung available sa ref namin today. So you can add like kiwi or strawberries, mga ganun. So let's start. Okay, so first, we need to chop the fruits. Okay, so now it's time to make our sangria. So of course, we need our red wine first. Lagay natin sa picture. You want this? What do you want? What's that? Wine. And next is 2 shots of brandy. So since wala kaming shot glass dahil dahil nabasag yung shot glass namin. 30 ml lang isang shot glass. So, gagamit tayo ng measuring cup. Of course, hindi lahat to. Wow! Pwede kayong mag-add actually, pero I'm okay with 2 shots lang. And then, our lemon soda.
I'm like that. Mine.
Our brown sugar. Okay, I'll give you one, baby. Brown sugar. Our brown sugar. 2 tablespoons brown sugar. So, just to balance the taste, kailangan talaga ng sugar. Or if you want, pwedeng cinnamon sticks or anything na magiging medyo sweet yung lasa. So, since medyo konti lang yung isang, like, I think this is, ilang ml to? 750 ml lang yung isang bottle. You can add more. You can add more, like half, may isa ka pang wine, but we're okay with it, with this one. Yeah. And then, we will put the fruits. Can you put the fruits, Saya, inside here? Go. Shoot. Oh! Shoot. Okay, I'll put it na. Ako na lang, I'll do the honors. Okay, and then, yung ating orange. Oh, wait, wait. So, medyo squeeze natin ng konti para maging fruity yung lasa. Yeah, put the fruits inside. Okay, go. Don't shoot, ha? I mean, don't shoot. Not too, go. Not too high. Very good. Me like that. More. Not too high. Okay, good. And lemon. Put our lemon. Ayan. And then we will mix our wine. Ayan. So we're done. Ayan. If you want to add more fruits, you can. So, and kung medyo natatapangan kayo sa lasa, pero I doubt no, kasi yung wine natin is 750 ml lang. Then, go. Do so. Feel free to do so. Basta kung anong taste yung gusto nyo, if you want. That's not watermelon, baby. That's orange. Orange? Okay, go. Okay. If natatapangan kayo, you can adjust the taste na. You can go back to our ingredient list and, ayun, medyo add sugar or maybe lemon soda. Okay, let's taste na. Okay, so it's now time to taste our sangria. What? You want to taste? No, you can't. You're still a baby. Sarap ah. Wala siyang ice, pero it's good. Siguro, I think dahil ngayon, very mild lang yung wine natin. Hindi siya yung something na parang matapang yung lasa. And, ayun. I think it's because sa lemon soda din natin. So, sabi ko nga, you can add more wine if you want. Kung gusto mo ng medyo matapang, you can add more brandy as well. Water. How about water? Wine? Wine. So, yun. So, that's it. So, I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator para tomorrow malamig na siya and ready to drink na talaga.
Bye.
Say bye! Say bye!
Bye.
Bye! Okay, so this is the sangria that we made last night. So aside from the mixture, I added a bottle of wine kasi baka magkulang sa amin since marami kaming iinom. And it ended up tasting so good pa din. But I mean, for people like me who's not into bitter like tasting cocktails or drinks, sobrang okay pa niya. As in, lasang-lasa pa din yung fruits, parang yung fruity flavor, ganun pa din siya, sangria pa din. Actually, I can still add a shot of brandy if I like, pero kasi baka yung mga kasama namin sa bahay. Are you done? Okay. Kaso baka yung mga kasama namin sa bahay is ayaw naman nila ng sobrang lakas, yung tama. So, I think it also depends on the choice of red wine, on your choice of red wine. So, yung pinili kong red wine naman, it's still good, still okay, even after adding another bottle. So, ayun. I think, kailangan nyo lang hanapin din yung choice of red wine nyo, yung pinaka-okay na red wine for you. So, try it. Hi! Good morning, everyone! Happy Hearts Day! Have a great day and spend it with the ones you love. So, pagbaba ko, eto yung naabutan ko sa living room. Ayan. Thank you, Daddy. Kaso walang dedication. So, message ko siya. Sabi ko, pero sa akin ba talaga to? Bakit walang nakasulat? Ayun. So, kaya pala pagbaba ko, ang ingay nila dito kasi pinag-uusapan nila, bakit bumalik si Sir? Sabi dito ng mga kasama namin. So, yun pala, bakit daw siya nagmamadali tapos bumalik siya? Ngayon pala, ihahatid niya tong flower. So, pagbaba ko, dinig ko na yung usapan nila kaya alam ko na may something. Kaya yun. Pero thank you, honey. Yay! Thank you! You're eating? Is it good? Is it good? Okay. Is it good, Daddy?
Yeah.
Gutom na gutom. Time for a taste test! Hey! Cheers! Yan. Sarap, diba? Hindi ka masanay umiinom, ate? Pero hindi siya mapakla, diba? Nice! Yay! Seya, isn't it you have a Valentine's gift for Ate Mimi and Ate Lai? Okay, here it is! Give it to Ate Lai and Ate Mimi, and what will you say? Happy Valentine's! Go! Wow! What will you say? What will you say?
Thank you, Happy Valentine's. Thank you. Chocolate.
Say, Ate says thank you. What will you say?
Thank you, Sarah. Chocolate.
Say welcome. Hey guys, since it's Love Month, I will be giving away 2 passes each to 3 lucky winners for the AURORA 2020 Hot Air Balloon Food and Music Festival happening at the Clark Global City on March 13 to 14. Okay guys, so this is how you can win. Super easy lang. First, you need to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Nakikita nyo sa baba yung subscribe button. And then second, you need to follow me on my social media accounts. I have this and this. And last but not the least, third is you need to share this video with the hashtag EuniceXAurora2020. Ayan. So, para mas madali kong makita yung mga magpa-participate sa giveaway na to. Super dali, diba? So, join na and see you there!
Cheers. Like and subscribe. Yeah.
Tawa sila.
Dapat dito natin yun. Patabi.
Wait.
Ito natin yun.
Please, let's go. We're finally home. Come on.
Hi!
Again.
Pupa, pupa, pupa.
Can you go to mommy?
No.